20 years, Alex, can't believe it.
Yeah, it's crazy. It feels like yesterday that, you know, we started this business out of a small garage in Lakewood, you know, with one dining room set, a cell phone, and a pickup truck. And I was just thinking back to when I would have folks come over to the house and I would show them the dining room set, and then they were elated with the quality and the price, and then I'd deliver it to their house.
That I can't believe. You just deliver it, you'd set it up, and
I'd
do the whole
set it
9 yards.
up, and they were so happy, and I was like, boy, we're really onto something here. So, you know, we moved from then into some storage units, and then an auto body shop, and now we're in 3 big warehouses, which are essentially just big garages.
Yeah, just look at it. I mean, how do you do it?
You know, we've just kept it the same. We've kept the overhead low. We've cut out all the fluff. You know, our rent here is 1/10 of what it is in the high rent retail area down the street, and we just pass the savings on to the customer.
And talk about furniture, man. You walk around here, there's everything here. The great sofas, the lift chairs, all kinds of great stuff.
Yeah, so, you know, we have it all, and we have all the quality brands. We have Klausner, we have Bernhardt, we have Ashley, and we have our Amish furniture too.
Yeah, and don't forget about the kitchens. I was just talking to a young lady over there. I saw some countertops I like to have at Chateau Moss.
Yeah.
I mean, great cabinets and designers.
Yeah, the designers are amazing. I mean, the people we have is really the difference in our business, and I'm just so proud that we've been doing this for so long, and we're excited to you know, continue it.
Yeah, and think about that. You got the outdoor furniture, you got the hot tubs for the salt water.
Yeah, they're amazing, so people really love those.
So a whole lot of great stuff out here at Northeast Factory Direct. Of course, you can go west side, you can go east side, or you can go south side. Anywhere you go, it's going to be great, or just go straight to northeastfactorydirect.com. Thanks a lot, man.